Welcome everybody to Travel About. We're going to be reviewing Sushi Twister today. We're here on Boulder Highway in Las Vegas, Nevada. And it's a little bit of a wait. We're on a wait list right now. Very popular place, very loud, very noisy in there. And it's supposed to be, according to Yelp, really, really good. So we'll get in there. We're on a wait list, like I said. We'll get in there in a few minutes and show you what we're going to order. See what it tastes like. So, very, very, very busy kitchen. Lots of yummy looking food in here. Hey everybody, I have ordered a beef teriyaki combo plate. It's on the way, and it comes with some miso soup. Probably had that before. It's pretty hot, so I'm gonna wait a sec. I mixed myself up a little wasabi, or you know what it is, fake wasabi and soy. And we got a little ginger there. And Leslie has ordered a dead dragon. Now, dragon roll is one of her favorite sushis. It's eel, and I like eel as well. So it's kind of like a California roll with eel on top, but she got a dead dragon, a little different. This one will be deep fried with a little shrimp tempura stuffed in the middle. So add a little extra flavor to it. I'm gonna take a little sip of this if I can. It's pretty hot. Give me a second. Yeah, it's pretty typical miso. Very strong, earthy, just like it should taste. Can't remember what it's actually made out of. Probably soybean or something. Anyway, it's quite good, refreshing, and super hot. Also, I picked myself up a beer. Got a Sapporo beer and a glass of water. The food will be out shortly. Like I said before, it's pretty busy in here. There's the sushi guys over there at work. Hard at it. There's a big crew here, guys. Big staff. I think there's like 20 people I've seen so far, right? And then I'm gonna tell you what, they're running. They're running.
And the water tastes like water.
Does it? Oh yeah. So she says the water tastes like water. If you saw my other review, where were we?
South Point.
Yeah, at the South Point restaurant review. You'll know what I'm talking about, so make sure you hit the bell for notifications, subscribe to the channel, and go back and search for that one. Food good. The water at that place was, you can't call it water. I don't know what that was, South Point. Jeez, how hard is it to get water? Anyway, it's pretty terrible. Anyway, here, she said the water is good. I'm going to be my own judge of that. Yepers, that's water. Whatever they served us at South Point was not water. I think it was dishwater. It tasted so funky, I can't really tell you what it was. But anyway, back to this place. This place is pretty awesome. It's called Twisted Sushi. It's out here on Boulder Highway, down away from the casinos, down past Sam's Town and all that stuff. It's in a shopping center. It's a shopping center. Well, it's kind of, it's not like a strip mall shopping center. I'll show you from the outside. Hey everybody, the dead dragon has arrived. Now the lighting in here is quite terrible. I'll try to fix it up for you post. So this dragon roll has been deep fried. See a little crispiness on top. And there is some shrimp tempura stuffed in the middle. It's basically a California roll with eel, and eel sauce is splashed on top. It looks amazing. And she's gonna grab a chopstick and let's get a piece out and get a little closer look on it. That's a good one. Let's get that one right there, Leslie. That one's already kind of by itself. Yeah. Let's see if you can break it loose. Oh yeah. Now let's check it out first. Spin it around a little bit for me. Nice and slow. Good. Back around again. All right. Here we go, guys. She's gonna take a bite. The whole thing went in. Oh my God, I should have filmed it. The whole thing went in. Thought she was going to take a bite. And we're waiting for the final analysis here. I got a thumbs up. Dead dragon roll for the win. And that was not too expensive either. What was it, like $8 or something? 8 or 9 bucks maybe. We'll show you the bill when it comes out. I'm working on my miso soup over here a little bit.
I think it was $10.95.
She says $10.95.
Nine pieces.
Yeah, 9 pieces.
You can't really bite them in half because of that seaweed wrapper.
Alright guys, some of the food's starting to roll out now. It's part of my entree. I got some steamed rice. I don't know what that is. More soy maybe? I don't know. Let's find out. Oh, right here. That's teriyaki?
Yeah.
Okay, great.
No, not teriyaki sauce. Teriyaki sauce right here.
Oh, what's
That's
that?
the tempura sauce.
Tempura.
That you can dip.
Awesome, thank you. Well, I was wrong. All right, guys, here's what I got. I got a 6-ounce steak. New York strip, right?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, pretty sure that was a New York strip. I got 2 shrimp tempura, 2 vegetable tempura, a salad, and an 8-piece California roll, and rice. This is dipping sauce for my tempura, and the teriyaki is already on the steak. So, trying to figure out how I'm going to hold the camera and do this all at the same time, but we'll figure it out. Okay, I am not proficient with a chopstick in any way, shape, or form, so don't yell at me how I'm holding my chopstick. But there we go. So they cut it, they sliced it up for me. That's nice. Hey guys, I'm gonna hold the camera off to someone else. And, just kind of get me taking a bite of this steak. I have no idea how to pick up. All right, guys, you ready? Here we go. Very tender. A lot of flavor. That's really good. That's really good. Well, she's got the camera rolling. Let's get some California roll. I got my own little dipping sauce I made over here. We'll put that in there. You ready? Got me in there? Here we go, guys. Outstanding. 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 You know, California rolls can be made different ways. There's something in there that's slightly different. I don't know what it is, but daggone, that's good. That's good. These are just tempura. You know they're going to be good. And it's probably some kind of Japanese seasoning on the salad. Let's dig in a little bit, and I'll bring you back. Guys, I finally caved in and asked for a fork. I don't know how anyone eats with these 2 pointed sticks. I mean, I got rice. How the heck do you eat rice with a stick? Come on. Okay, everybody, I have a fork. And now I can actually eat and enjoy my meal. It was not very enjoyable trying to eat with a stick. And I know you're going to flame me in the comments how easy it is. But not for me. Anyway, everything here is fantastic. The steak is so good. I mean, that's real teriyaki there, man. That's good stuff. The rice is steamed perfectly. A little bit of difference here in the California roll. Excellent, absolutely excellent. There is a little sauce, like a clear sauce over top of the salad. It's delicious. I am highly recommending this place right now. And the dead dragon is almost dead. The dead dragon is almost slayed. Hey guys, I about destroyed this plate, but I decided to go ahead and review the dead dragon myself. So she gave up a piece. As is, I'm not going to dip it in anything, just as is. Seaweed wrap on it, I'm going to have to take it all at once. So, here we go. 2 weeks. pretty good. I think I might prefer the other one better. I haven't had it here, but in the past with just eel. I like the eel flavor, and I got a lot of shrimp flavor out of that one. Nothing wrong with it. It's pretty darn good. But I probably would like the eel alone better. I think. I haven't had it. I don't know. We're coming down the home stretch here. I got a big old piece of sweet potato I'm probably not going to eat. And I got 2 pieces of California roll. Man, that is so good. Why is that California roll so much better than other ones? I don't know. There is something red sprinkled on it. Maybe some roe, maybe. I don't know. And she's working on the final dead dragon. It is officially dead now. And that's about it, guys. We pretty much ate everything here. And I'll get you the bill in just a few minutes. All right, guys, I had to turn the flash on for this one. It's so dark in here. Anyway, let's scroll down for you real quick. See the prices. Total bill, like 32 bucks. It's great for 2 people. That was a ton of food. Ton of food.